install computer program system. This one cutter paper machine. Everything cutter paper machine can install our program system because we have the experience. And right now we check the situation about the cutter paper machine, and we will start to change the electronic system. We will start to change the computer system. Everything cutter paper machine, we can do this. And then you can buy our system, follow our video, you can know how to install on your cutter paper machine. By the way, the printing machine also is our provide. We can provide the printing machine to the different customer. Okay, we change the electronic and we install system right now. Everything cutter paper machine can install this one system, is no problem.